Ever wondered where your money goes when you invest with StashAway? Like, where does it actually live? Is it swimming in a vault filled with gold bullion? Or maybe chilling in a digital cloud, somewhere between here and the moon? Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but the question of where your money is parked when you use an investment platform is legit. Today, we're diving deep into the question, which bank is StashAway with? Let's clear something up right away. StashAway isn't a bank. It's an investment platform. But here's the thing, your money needs a home, right? A place to stay safe and sound while it's busy growing. That's where banks come in. So, which bank does StashAway trust with your hard-earned cash? Well, it's not just one bank. It's a network of banks. Think of it like this, StashAway is the landlord, and the banks are the buildings. They provide the infrastructure for your money to reside. Now, the specific banks StashAway partners with can vary depending on where you are. Different countries have different banking regulations and systems. But the core principle remains the same, your money is held in regulated, secure banks. Why so many banks, you ask? It's all about diversification. Spreading your money across multiple banks helps to manage risk. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket drops, you lose everything. But if you have eggs in several baskets, the chances of losing everything are much lower. So, while you might not know the exact bank holding your StashAway funds at this very moment, you can rest assured it's in good hands. StashAway has a duty to protect your money, and that includes choosing reliable banking partners. But wait, there's more. It's not just about where your money sleeps at night. StashAway also works with other financial institutions to make your investment journey smooth. For instance, they might partner with custodians to hold your assets securely, or with brokers to execute your trades. This complex network of partners is what allows StashAway to offer you a seamless investment experience. They handle the back-end stuff, so you can focus on achieving your financial goals. But remember, while StashAway and its partners work hard to keep your money safe, investing always involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your own research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.